In 1971, Inspector Harry Callahan claimed this was the most powerful handgun in the world and could blow a man's head clean off. Well, we want to introduce you to one of the most iconic revolvers in American cinema history, the Smith & Wesson Model 29 44 Magnum. Welcome to Wheelgun Wednesday, punk. In June of 1957, Smith & Wesson released the .44 Magnum that we all know today as the Model 29, and it quickly became a favorite of law enforcement in the 4-inch original configuration. Throughout the years, there have been many different configurations, including a 6-inch, an 8.5-inch, 10-inch, and quite a few different Centennial and Bicentennial and special editions. In 1971, the popularity skyrocketed, and the Model 29 became one of the most popular and sought-after revolvers of all time. To prove that point, the 29 has been over 100 movies and TV shows and was put into video games as recently as 2018. Now, that being considered, Smith & Wesson, even with the popularity, decided to discontinue this model in 1999. Now, they have come back and re-released a classic edition of the Smith & Wesson Model 29. To me, it's not quite as good as what the original 29 is, and the 29, just because of that, has become one of the most collectible revolvers out there. The particular model we're shooting today is a 6-inch Model 29-2. It was graciously brought down by Matt F. from Bloomington, Indiana, for us to do the video on. So thank you very much, Matt. We appreciate it. The Model 29s are both a single action or double action, came standard with a red front sight and an adjustable rear sight. Well, there you have it, the Smith & Wesson Model 29. Thanks so much for watching another episode of Wheelgun Wednesdays. Be sure to share, favorite, like, subscribe, leave some comments below, and please bring me a couple guns because we're running out. See you next week. The Smith & Wesson Model 29 has been in over 100 movies, TV shows.
Been inside the shoe you carry in your shoe.
Inside the shoe? The Smith & Wesson Model 29 revolver is probably one of the most iconic revolvers in cinematic history. It's been in over 100 movies, films, more other movie, film things, and other cinema. The Model 29 has also been offered to... The Model 29 has also been... The Model 29... It just keeps getting shorter and shorter and shorter. Eventually I'm going to fuck up the... The Model 29 has been offered many configurations since its introduction. I want to thank you very much for driving down and coming to let me fuck this video up.